Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to be talking about how to shave your faces. I know lots and lots of videos on the internet tells you how to do it, but my video is going to be very different from that because I'll be showing you the entire process in 1000 magnification. So there are people out there who doesn't need to shave their faces because you do not have so much of hair on your face, but for someone like me who has significant hair growth on our faces, we need to remove it regularly. So why should you prefer shaving your face instead of going for wax? It's a simple reason, because it doesn't cause any infection, and second is it is painless, because I cannot tolerate the pain of removing your hair from your face because it's excruciatingly painful for me. Also, it is always believed that it helps in removing the dead skin cells from your face. As soon as you shave your face, the dead skin cells also comes along. It has not been proven yet, but we'll see in the macro world. We'll dive into the macro world to see if it really does help. So what I'm going to do is I'll place the razor on my face, I'll remove the entire growth, and after that we'll see on the razor if it really helps in removing the dead skin cells. I'm very excited for this one. Also, if you're someone who hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it would mean a lot to me, and we are quickly going to get into the video now. So guys, my face is bleached right now and I'll check my skin under 1000 magnification. It is all gonna be golden or brown in color. So let's get into that. So guys, using this microscope right now, I'll check my skin under 1000 magnification, and as you guys can see, most of my hair, yes, there are black hair as well, but if I show you closely, the skin which is bleached, you'll be able to see the strands which are completely golden and brown in color.
So I'm gonna hold the razor at 45 degrees and slowly and steadily move it in the downward direction so that it can take all the hair off. It is not gonna be painful, but you'll have to be little careful while doing the process. And this is all the hair which are coming off. You're not able to see them clearly because they are brown in color, as I have already told you guys that I had bleached my face. And I am gonna repeat it on my entire face. Wherever I see little hair, I'll move it around and slowly I'll remove all the hair off. I am not gonna be removing my sideburns because usually I wax them off, so I'll be only removing the hair I have over my chin and cheek area.
So guys, I am done here and my face seems very smooth and there are no hair to be seen on the face right now, as you guys can see for yourself. So now I am almost done and I'll show you the razor which has collected all the hair in 1000.
As here is the footage of the razor with the microscope. As you guys can see, there are lots and lots of hair, and it has not taken it out from roots, but they are long enough and everything is brown in color. And on the razor you can see there is the accumulation of dead skin cells and some dirt as well. So as promised, yes, razor helps in removing the dead skin cells, making your skin smoother.
So to see how effectively it has worked, we'll check this under 1000 magnification as well now. So as you guys can see for yourself, the length of the hair is reduced, but the hair are still to be seen because it does not remove hair from the root. It has removed the extra hair superficially, so they are gonna grow back really quickly. There are no hair to be seen if you see my face in person, but if you check it under microscope, there are still lots and lots of hair on my face, because this helps in removing the hair superficially. It doesn't take your hair out of roots. The only benefit you'll be getting here is it does not cause any pain at all, and you can use it every week. So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find it helpful, and it was super interesting for me to watch it as well. The only thing I want you guys to take care of is you hold the razor at 45 degrees once you remove your hair. It is not going to be painful because it helps in removing your hair superficially. It is not going to remove your hair from roots. So, and this is going to stay, and you are going to stay hair free for 4 to 5 days, and after that you need to repeat the same process for the same. And also, if you have some queries regarding this, you can let me know in the comments down below. Also, it helps in making your skin a lot more smoother and brighter. As you guys must have seen for yourself, it has removed all the dead skin cells from your face, and this is something which the Hollywood celebrities opts for as well. And this is almost it. I hope that I have covered everything, and if I have left something, you can always comment down below. I would love to answer your queries. And if you're someone who hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now. Also make sure that you hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. Also make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. I hope that you know the drill, and make sure to follow me on my social media, links to which I'll leave in the description box below. I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.